Step inside Philadelphia's latest sensation, a living museum that's already stirring up conversation. Calder Gardens, scheduled to officially open its doors on September 21, 2025, isn't just your average park or museum. It's a dynamic blend of art and nature, masterfully shaped by the renowned architectural team Herzog de Meuron and landscape visionary Piet Oudolf. Why just admire art on white walls when you can discover it woven into a lush, ever-changing landscape? But here's where things get controversial. Calder Gardens chooses subtlety over spectacle. Unlike grand, traditional museums, its design embraces understatement, blurring the lines between built space and garden. As you journey from the bustling city streets into this serene haven, the museum's layers, meadows, gardens, and galleries unfold gradually. This approach both celebrates and reinterprets Alexander Calder's legacy in Philadelphia, a family whose artistic fingerprints can be found all along the city's parkway. Did they nail the balance between humility and inspiration, or should a museum dedicated to Calder go big and bold? The visitor's adventure begins at a striking, elongated metal wall, which not only marks the entrance, but muffles urban sounds, creating a peaceful transition into the garden's embrace. Beneath a sleek, folded metal canopy, guests enter through a warm, wood-lined passage, a moment of calm before discovery. Here, the architecture intentionally steps back. A circular plaza lies at the heart of the gardens, cleverly hiding the main galleries below ground. Two distinctive sunken gardens spill daylight into these spaces. One is a perfectly round oasis, the other organically shaped, each offering a unique encounter with Calder's iconic sculptures. Most people miss how seamlessly the landscape mingles with the art. This is a museum that asks you to slow down and let curiosity lead the way. Design Boom previewed Calder Gardens on September 15th, catching a first-hand glimpse of how Piet Oudolf's approachable meadows converse with the subtle architectural moves of Herzog de Meuron. Stay tuned for more impressions, because trust us, this experience is just beginning to make waves. Let's dig deeper inside. The galleries, designed by Herzog de Meuron, invite visitors to descend from an unassuming lobby into a variety of exhibition spaces, each with its own play of light and scale. The Highway Gallery gives you a bird's-eye view of Calder's mobiles from an overhead mezzanine, while the Open-Plan Gallery, located right below the central disc, bathes in natural light and frames glimpses of the vestige garden outside. Would you feel more connected to the art in spaces like these? Or is the low-key atmosphere a missed opportunity to glorify Calder's work? Smaller rooms like the Apse and Curve galleries are tailored for close encounters, hosting delicate works on paper and light-sensitive pieces in an intimate setting. Each gallery is purposely designed to slow your pace, encouraging thoughtful reflection, an unusual choice in today's fast-moving world. Jason Franson, senior partner at Herzog de Meuron, describes Calder Gardens as both an actual and a conceptual garden, built in close collaboration with the Calder Foundation and the Barnes Foundation. The intent? To honor Calder with a place where everyone, from locals to international visitors, can rediscover his work over and over again. But does such a reflective design risk underselling Calder's monumental influence? That's a debate worth having. Step back outside, and you'll find yourself enveloped by Piet Oudolf's transformative landscape, spanning 1.8 acres. His planting scheme turns an overlooked urban site into a living canvas that shifts with each season. Over 250 species, ranging from swaying grasses and resilient perennials to shade-loving woodland plants, create a multi-sensory mosaic, each reveal inviting you deeper into the garden's story. Meandering paths guide you through woodlands, prairie grasses, and dynamic borders, framing unexpected vistas of architecture and sculpture at every turn. These aren't just walkways, they're invitations to explore at your own pace. Take, for instance, the young oaks in the West Woodland Garden, or the rippling prairie grasses nearing the building, each scene crafted to slow your steps and spark contemplation. The Sunken Vestige and Sunken Gardens, visible from the galleries above, act as living bridges between art and nature. Here, Calder's imagination is set against the backdrop of Oudolf's continually shifting flora, making every visit a new experience. As Oudolf himself shares, gardens are for everyone. But is this open approach the future of museums? Or should we stick to classic gallery walls and manicured lawns? So, what do you think? Do subtler, immersive designs make art more accessible? Or do they risk diluting the excitement? Should more museums follow in Calder Gardens' footsteps? Or is this a bold experiment best left to Philadelphia? Spark the conversation below. Give your honest take. Are you cheering for Calder Gardens' quiet revolution, or are you craving something more dramatic?